In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add link in Behance. Adding a clean clickable link inside your project is a great way to direct viewers to your website, shop, or a full case study. And it only takes a moment once you know where everything lives. Start by navigating to Behance and opening the project you want to edit. Or create a new one if you are starting from scratch. Once you are in the project editor, look to the right side of the screen for the Add Content sidebar. This is where you control what gets placed in your project. Click Add Text to insert a new text block. This gives you a flexible area where you can write a caption, a call to action, or any short line that will become your link. Type the exact words you want to be clickable. Clear, action-oriented text works best something like visit website or see the full case study. Keep it concise and descriptive so viewers immediately understand where the link will take them. Now, use your cursor to highlight just that specific word or phrase. As soon as you highlight it, a text editor toolbar will appear above or near your selection. On that toolbar, find the link icon. It looks like a small chain. Click it to open the link field in the field provided. Paste the full web address you want to use, including the HTTPS at the beginning. Copying directly from your browser is the easiest way to avoid typos. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the URL, and confirm that it starts with HTTP or HTTPS, so Behance recognizes it as a valid link. When you are confident it's correct, click Done or Save to apply the link to your highlighted text. With the link in place, you can refine how it looks so it fits your project's design. Use the text editor to adjust the font color or size. To match your visual style, aim for strong contrast, so the link remains readable against your background. If you change the default link color, choose a hue that's still clearly clickable and consistent with your color palette. Keep sizing consistent with nearby text so the layout feels balanced. And avoid colors that are too light or too close to the background. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.